Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your pin not being accepted on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! So, there is a very high chance that you have just forgotten your password. Sorry. However, there is a very slight chance that something actually might be broken or glitchy. In order to fix that, you probably want to reboot your device, and you can do that by just pressing and holding your power button for a moment, and you want to keep pressing it until the screen goes black. And now we want to simply remove your finger, and now you can wait for a moment until the phone restarts completely. Will this fix issues? To be honest, I doubt that. Once again, there is a very high chance that you have just forgotten your password. But before we actually go into the forgetting password thing, there is one more thing we can do, and it's to trying safe mode, because maybe it will avoid some sort of temporary glitches and all of other wacky stuff. Now, how can we actually do that? Well, that's also very simple. First, let's head into our phone once again. Let's press and hold power button, but this time when screen goes black, we want to release it and then press power button with volume up button. Just like that. And when Redmi logo appears and disappears, we want to simply remove our thumb from power button while still pressing volume up button. So now we keep pressing, and congratulations, you are inside recovery mode. In here you want to simply boot your phone into our safe mode, so let's navigate down and let's put it up inside safe mode. And as you can see, our phone is now rebooted inside safe mode. We can try to input our pin once again, but whoops, it appears that safe mode did not help. What can we do then? Well, sorry, but there is no fixing that. You have just forgotten your pin password. And what can you do about it? Well, there is only one thing you can do, and it's to perform a hard reset that will completely remove everything from the device. And by removing completely everything from my device, I mean completely everything. You will lose your images, your contacts, your videos, your applications, your music, everything, including the password that is keeping you from actually using the phone. So, yeah. And anyway, now I want to simply pick up our phone and let's perform this hard reset since the warning is now done. First, press and hold power button. We want to basically get into recovery mode, just like before. So after the screen goes black, we want to release it, start pressing power button with volume up button, and when Redmi logo disappears and appears again, we want to release power button, just like that. And now we should be inside recovery mode. And inside the recovery mode, we want to navigate not to safe mode this time, but instead to wipe data. Let's hit wipe data. And now we can see a little warning here. Now this warning here basically says that this cannot be undone, which is pretty obvious. Let's navigate into confirm, let's hit confirm, and now we begin wiping our data. We can now go back to main menu, go into reboot, and simply reboot to system. And now, after a moment, after a few minutes maybe, we should see setup screen. And as you can see, a couple of minutes have passed, and the factory reset is now done, and we can see the setup screen. Now I'm not going to show you the setup itself. If you want to look how you can actually perform a setup, we have other tutorials on our channel on how to do that. But once again, that's all for this video, since your problem with pin not being accepted is fixed. Kind of. Anyway, that's all from me. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.